Welcome to the beautiful city of Helsinki, Finland, a place where history and modern life integrate. Nestled on the shores of the Baltic Sea, Helsinki is a city that has been shaped by the tides of history. Let's take a step back to the year 1550. King Gustav II of Sweden, seeking to rival the Hanseatic city of Revel, today's Tallinn, founded a small town on the southern coast of Finland. The name of this town, Helsingfors, now known to us as Helsinki. Over the centuries, Helsinki transformed from a quiet outpost to a bustling hub of trade and commerce. Its strategic location made it a coveted prize for empires, and in the early 1800s, the city was seized by the Russian Empire. Under Russian rule, Helsinki blossomed into an architectural jewel. The cityscape was transformed with grand neoclassical buildings, a tribute to the influence of St. Petersburg. Among these architectural marvels, the white-domed Helsinki Cathedral stands as a testament to the city's rich past. Fast forward to the 20th century, Helsinki found itself at the heart of Finland's fight for independence. In 1917, the city became the capital of a newly independent Finland, marking a new chapter in its history. In the decades that followed, Helsinki continued to grow and evolve. Today, it stands as a vibrant global city, a cultural powerhouse and a hub of innovation. It's a place where the old and the new coexist, from the medieval fortress of Suomenlinna to the contemporary design district. Helsinki's unique architectural heritage, cultural richness, and its status as a global city have made it a must-visit destination for travelers around the world. From its humble beginnings to its current status as the capital of Finland, Helsinki's history is as vibrant and diverse as the city itself. Now, armed with a little history, we're ready to dive into what makes Helsinki a must-visit destination. Arriving in Helsinki by cruise, you'll dock at the bustling Helsinki cruise port. A hive of activity, the port stands as a testament to Finland's maritime heritage. It's more than just a docking point, it's a gateway to the vibrant city of Helsinki. The port is well equipped with facilities that cater to your every need, from tourist information centers to cozy cafes and souvenir shops. What sets the Helsinki cruise port apart is its proximity to the city center. It's a mere stone's throw away, making it a perfect starting point for your city exploration. There's a multitude of transport options available for day passengers. You can hop on a city tram for a scenic route through the city, catch a bus for a swift journey to your desired destination, or hail a taxi for a more private and comfortable ride. Bike rentals are also available for those seeking a more active mode of transport. With so many transport options, exploring Helsinki has never been easier. Helsinki boasts a wealth of attractions, but we've narrowed it down to the top 5 must-visit spots. First on our list is the Suomenlinna Sea Fortress, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This maritime fortress sprawls across 6 islands and is a testament to European military architecture. Visitors can explore the fortifications, tunnels and museums, and enjoy a picnic while taking in the stunning sea views. A travel tip? Don't forget to wear comfortable shoes as there's quite a bit of walking involved. Next up, the Helsinki Cathedral. This iconic white structure dominates the city's skyline and is a remarkable example of neoclassical architecture. Its pristine exterior is matched by an equally serene interior. The cathedral is not just a place of worship, but also a beacon of tranquility amidst the bustling city. A handy tip: visit early in the morning to avoid the crowds and enjoy a peaceful moment. Onto the market square or Kauppatori, a vibrant hub in the heart of Helsinki. Here you can sample Finnish delicacies, shop for local crafts and souvenirs, and enjoy the lively atmosphere. The market square is also the departure point for many sightseeing tours, including boat trips to Suomenlinna. A quick tip? Try the local salmon soup or lohikeito. It's a Finnish specialty and absolutely delicious. The 4th spot on our list is the Ouspensky Cathedral, an Eastern Orthodox gem perched on a hilltop. With its golden cupolas and red brick facade, the cathedral is a striking contrast to Helsinki's predominantly neoclassical architecture. The interior is equally impressive, adorned with ornate icons and a grand altar. A useful tip: the cathedral offers an excellent vantage point for panoramic views of the city, so don't forget your camera. Finally, for those seeking a thrill, the Linnanmäki amusement park is a must-visit. It's Finland's oldest amusement park and offers rides and attractions for all ages, ranging from gentle carousels to adrenaline-pumping roller coasters. The park is also home to the historic wooden roller coaster, which has been thrilling visitors since the 50s. A travel tip? Visit in the evening when the park is lit up. It's a magical sight. These 5 spots offer a taste of what Helsinki has to offer, but trust us, there's much more to explore. Now, let's talk about how to make the most of your visit to Helsinki. On one hand, you have the convenience of booking a local cruise via your ship. It's simple, straightforward, and you're guaranteed to see some of the city's biggest highlights. But there's also another side of the coin that's worth considering. Venturing out on your own using local transport opens up a world of flexibility and independence. You can visit the sites you want to see, when you want to see them, without having to stick to a rigid schedule. You can linger at the places that capture your heart, and skip the ones that don't. It's the perfect option for those of you who enjoy the thrill of spontaneity, and the freedom of setting your own itinerary. However, independent travel isn't without its challenges. You'll need to navigate public transportation, which might be a bit daunting if you're not familiar with the local language. But with a bit of preparation, it can be a rewarding and enriching experience. Also, self-guided tours provide you with the opportunity to really immerse yourself in the city, to meet locals, try authentic food, and experience the city's vibe in a way that isn't always possible on a pre-arranged tour. Whether you choose to tour with your cruise ship or explore independently, you're in for a treat in Helsinki. Before we wrap up, let's talk about another great way to see Helsinki: local tours. Now, you might be wondering, why book a local tour when I can just hop off the cruise ship and explore on my own? Well, let me tell you, local tours offer a unique and personalized experience that's hard to beat. Local tour guides are seasoned experts who know Helsinki like the back of their hand. They can show you hidden gems that you won't find in most guidebooks. Plus, they'll share fascinating stories and local lore that you won't hear anywhere else, adding a whole new layer of depth to your Helsinki experience. And the best part? These tours are specifically designed for cruise ship passengers. That means they're tailored to fit your schedule and ensure you're back at the ship in plenty of time. But it's not just about convenience. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture and seeing Helsinki through the eyes of those who live and breathe it every day. Remember to check the description below for links on how to book local tours, along with other useful travel tips and links to our favorite travel guides. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing travel guides from Travel Day Trip Ideas. Safe travels!